It is one of the most common minerals on Earth. So it may be a surprise that until recently, salt was very difficult to come by. Because it was so difficult to take from the earth and use, salt became exceptionally valuable.
You can go from present-day life, where you have salt everywhere, to the rest of human history as of 100 years ago, when salt was almost impossible to come by. Because of the scarcity of salt and because of our dependence on it, it's been of strategic value since the dawn of time. Actually, the very first documented war ever fought was over salt in China, some several thousand years ago.
A reminder of how rare salt used to be is still with us today in a ritual from the time of Christ. Few people now know why we throw salt over our shoulder. In biblical times, nothing came easy. One had to work very hard to afford basic necessities like salt, which was so valuable that spilling it was considered the work of the devil, creeping up and pushing you from behind. The remedy then was to throw a pinch of salt over your shoulder, which would blind Satan and drive him back to his fiery pit. To early man, losing even this little bit of salt was a source of great dismay. But this is no longer the case.
We manufacture salt now on a huge industrial scale. Salt is used as the foundation for many of the chemicals and materials that we use in our modern-day lives, from glass to plastics to dyes and textiles and paper. It's used by millions of tons to de-ice roads.
Today, the mineral that wars were once fought over is so common we can waste it for nothing more than a few moments' amusement.